Most professionals fail because their tasks are separated across different platforms. The secret to high performance isn't working harder. It's centralizing your entire digital life into a one-list ecosystem. Discover how to bridge the gap between Outlook, To-Do, and Planner to create the ultimate unified command center for you.
Okay, let's jump right into it. Now, in today's situation, most of us are using multiple apps at the same time, right? If you're in the Microsoft 365 platform, right? Normally, if you want to set your to-do, you will use Microsoft To-Do, or if you work in a Teams, you will have your Teams planner set up, right? And I know that for most people in companies, they still start the day with emails, right? Now, for me, it's sometimes that if I want to settle or reply email, I need to gather information that I cannot immediately reply to them. A lot of time I will forget about it. So what I like to do is I like to flag it. Now, today, right now, I'm in my Outlook. You can see this is my Outlook, and I got just a sample email right over here. You know how to flag your email, right? So what I'm gonna do is just this email, simple, just click flag. So you just like flag this email. Now I'm gonna go to my to do, right? So let me open up my to do. Okay. So let's say I want to go flag email. You can see there, to do, has email is here, right? So it's very simple. So whatever you flag, it will show up in your Microsoft To Do. Then of course you can go in there and set the time, date, say today, what time do you want to remind yourself, and so on. You can set all that. Yeah. So it's very simple. Just click flag and then you will show it in the Microsoft To Do. So what you want to do is that you want to make everything comes into this app called Microsoft To Do. So after that, all you need is, your task management, you will just refer to this Microsoft To Do. Now, next thing I'm going to show you is you also have apps from your teams. Let's say, okay, your tasks from your teams. This is a sample team task where people are using loop components, right? Loop component to create the task. If you do not know how to use loop, you can refer to my previous video, yeah, on how to use loop inside your teams. It is very simple. All you need is you post to this channel or even your chat. You can see the loop component right over here. You can click on this and then you can choose, right, whatever you want. Let's say you want to have a task list or a simple task list, you will have a task list, right? So this is exactly the same, right? Let me just discard this, okay, as this one, right? Now, since we already set this, so what I want to show to you is that, you see here, if you look at here, I got my day, important, plan, flag, and task. Okay. Now forget about all this. This is my own list, right? So over here, there's no assigned to me, a list assigned to me. You see, nothing right over here. So what I'm gonna do is that once we go in here, and then here, new task tree, right? I just want to go in, assign this to myself. Okay, let me go back to over here. Okay, it will take a little bit. Okay, now you can see it has this, right? So sometimes you got to refresh it. Okay, assign to me. So here, new task tree is the same as this one, right? Assign to me, and then you can see the due date from what PM task tracking, which is the title right over here, PM task tracking. Okay, so very simple. It go inside here, assigned to me, which is inside your Microsoft To Do. Now, besides this, sometimes we set up the planner, right? If you go in here, if you use the planner, right, the apps, you can set up the planner right over here. If you're not, you can refer to in my channel how to set up the planner in Microsoft Teams. So, example, if you have project management, yeah, where you already set up all your stuff right over here. Okay, let me just show you simple plan, right? A simple plan, things that you want to do, progress, done, and so on. And you just add tasks. Okay, so new, let's say this is just for demo task, and then you can set a due date. Just put it like 16, assign to me. Okay, so one assigned to me, I just add tasks. You see right over here, there's this task. Okay, now let me just delete this off. All right, new demo. And then let me go back to Microsoft To Do. Okay, now you refresh. The new demo is right over here under Simple Plan. It is very simple. So all these will be synchronized to your Microsoft To Do. Once you have all that, your Outlook, your planner tasks, your loop. Okay. Now, by the way, loop can be shared in email, can be shared anything, anywhere, right? Even through your WhatsApp link, but they have to go through the loop apps. Yeah. And once it's signed, it will come to here. Okay. So your workflow will become very easy. So for me, my workflow is simply every day, I just go to this My Day function. And then I will click on this suggestion. You see here, you got to do test. Yeah. This is the one that is flagged. Okay. Because it's today. Yeah. It will suggest, right? Those in the today, it will pop up right over here. So you don't worry that where it is all your tasks, right? It can be from the planner, can be assigned to you from your other teams, Loop, or whichever apps. It comes in right over here, and then you can plan your day right here inside Microsoft To Do. That's it. And then inside some of these, you can scroll up and down and so on. So this is for you to prioritize your day. Now, once you do that, you can also go to your calendar and do time block. If you're interested to see how to do time block using Microsoft To Do and Outlook, just leave a comment right below. Then I'll create a separate video to show you on that. Now, finally, I just want to show you that once you're in the Microsoft To Do, now let me go back right over here. You can see it's still flagged, right? For this email. Now, if I do this, right? Okay. Let's, for example, I just click here. You can see what happened here. Right. It takes, a couple seconds. You'll see this. It's already tick, means that you already complete this, your task. Yeah, very simple. So even though you're using Microsoft To Do, it's synced to your Outlook. Yeah, same thing with, let's go pull, okay, your list here assigned to me, right? Now, if you see this new demo is not tick, okay? So same thing, if I complete this, I will click here. It will show this is done. So now you can see the new demo is already been done, right? Completed. So same thing. Let's go back to my post. You will see this new task 3. Okay. Over here, new task 3. I'll take it. Yeah. So it will complete here as well. Okay. It's completed. All right. So by just using Microsoft To Do, let it be your unified command center, right? Meaning that all the tasks, it will goes in here. Yeah. For me, I love to use the apps on my mobile. It's very simple and it's more powerful. Okay. You can even set a reminder for you to plan your day. Okay. So go try it out and let me know, is this useful? And what are other tools, right, that you would like to learn to become a highly productive leader? Now, if you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And this is Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.